So what's the deal with the premiums on your life insurance? When are you supposed to pay it? How much? How do you know? Those are all details that are spelled out in your contract. My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance or the role that it can play in a comprehensive financial plan that is built for you and your goals, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified immediately anytime I upload a video and you never miss one. So, what I'm talking about today is the payment of premium clause. And this is another one of the clauses that is built into just about every life insurance contract you're ever going to see. It's one of the more straightforward ones, but it's in just about every contract. So, I want to make sure you know what you're looking at. So, the payment of premiums clause in a life insurance contract details that the premium, so what you pay to the life insurance company for your insurance, is due before your coverage starts. You have to pay in advance of the coverage dates for that coverage. And it's a way to protect the company so that they don't end up providing coverage that hasn't been paid for that would end up having a claim filed upon it. It's fairly straightforward. It just details out so there's no confusion. The other thing that the payment of premium clause states is that it states the mode or the frequency of the premium payment. And a lot of them have options. You have choices. That could be anything from annually, you pay it once a year. It could be a single payment coverage. There are some of those out there. So it could be a single payment, it could be annual payments, it could be semi-annually. So it's every 6 months. It could be monthly. It could be bi-monthly. All the way down to weekly or whatever. Your contract is going to state the frequency with which you can pay your premiums and the amount that you would need to pay if you're paying at that frequency. So I'm just pulling random numbers. These aren't off of any sort of illustration or contract that I've seen, but it might say that, okay, for monthly payments, you're going to pay, or for weekly payments, you pay $5 a week. So if it's a monthly payment, $20 a month. If it's a, sorry, my mind went blank for a second. If it's a semi-annual, so every 6 months, that would be $120 every 6 months. If it's an annual payment, you're only paying it once a year, it'd be $240. Those aren't off of any contract. That's not anything I'm reading. That was just numbers off the top of my head, but it's an example for you. So it's going to tell you how frequently you would need to pay your premiums and how much money you would need to pay at that frequency to keep your coverage in force. And like all the other clauses that I've done videos on, these are there to eliminate ambiguity so that the insurer and the insured, so that you and the insurance company and everybody else who would have any dealings with this contract know exactly what is expected, know exactly what should happen, and there's no doubt, there's no question, there's no what if. If you've got questions on the payment of premium on your life insurance, or how much is a premium on life insurance, or what would be right for you, or how much can fit in your budget, drop me a comment down below. Lets me know what kind of videos I can make for you guys in the future, lets me know what you're looking for, and it helps me guide what I'm doing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know I'm doing a good job, lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job, and just keeps everything rolling smoothly. But most importantly, though, if what we talked about today, if figuring out the premium of life insurance or what you can pay or how often you can pay it is something that you need to figure out for your life, for your situation, there is a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. Go check it out. It leads you straight to a masterclass that I've done where I detail some just basics of financial planning. And then it leads into some fact finding where we gather information of what you have, what you need, what your tolerances are. And then you and I will sit down face to face and we'll figure out what works for you. What do you need? What can we help with? Most importantly, though, please, in the meantime, take care of your now, your future, and beyond. Thanks for watching.